Aryanshi. Today I am going to show you a model of rooftop rainwater harvesting. But first, we should know what is rainwater harvesting and what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. The rainwater harvesting is the process by which we collect rainwater from the surface on which rain falls, filtering it and storing it for multiple uses like cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, washing animals, and keeping houses and communities clean. Now, advantage of rainwater harvesting: reduce flooding and erosion, reduce water bills, reduce demand on groundwater, can be used for non-drinking purpose.